It's an important topic and one that is pretty tough to talk about.
April is Child Abuse Prevention Month. Experts say there has been an uptick in child abuse cases.
Yeah, as WPTV News Channel 5's Tori Dunnan reports, local organizations are now working to change all that.
We have seen an increase in the number of children that have presented with non-accidental trauma injuries, which is what we call child abuse.
Ashley Barkwin with the Palm Beach Children's Hospital says they're working to address this issue head on, creating a new team at the hospital better equipped to help identify non-accidental traumas.
We meet once a month and we discuss different cases, but we also have put in practices and protocols.
She believes the uptick is fueled by frustration surrounding the pandemic.
People are home. The kids are home more than they are at school. The stress level of the pandemic from parents, caregivers.
This month, Palm Beach Children's Hospital partnered with Little Smiles to hold the Say Goodnight to Child Abuse event. Nicole Mercado, executive director of Little Smiles, says her nonprofit works with local hospitals and law enforcement agencies.
A higher increase in our phone calls that we get from our law enforcement agencies about the abuse that they're seeing and kids that have to be removed from their homes or kids that need basic essentials. And we've definitely seen an increase in that in the past years.
She's stressing the need for awareness among adults in the community, providing a safe space to allow children to speak up.
If you notice that something is a little amiss, if you notice a child is acting a little differently than they normally do outside of their normal character, definitely if there's anything that's a cause for concern, bring that to the attention of local authorities or to a social worker or to people in your community that are in a position to be able to do something to help.
Barkwin says it's about empowering children.
Whether it's law enforcement, any type of first responders, nurses, doctors, teachers, that is their safe place and that we will help them and get them the help that they need in order to stop child abuse or prevent it. And that's our whole goal, is to prevent it so they don't end up in the hospital or even worse than that.
It's a simple reminder that goes a long way to protecting kids in our community. If you see something, say something. Tori Dunnan, WPTV News Channel 5.